Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. I wanted to talk to you today about this really nice 2005 Flame Red Jeep Wrangler TJ X. Super low miles, right at 68,000 original miles. This is a Southern Jeep. It's really clean inside and out, as well as underneath. Factory 6-speed manual transmission, 4-liter inline 6. Factory AC. It's got a 4-inch Skyjacker lift. BF Goodrich 285, 75, 16 tires. Mounted on a set of American Racing black aluminum wheels. Got the Bushwhacker fender flares. That's a new top. Just all in all, a really nice Jeep. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com. Got a lot of photos of the Jeep inside and out, as well as underneath. You can call or text me at 904-382-7230 if you have any questions. Paint shines really nice. It does have some checking on the hood. Pretty normal for this era Jeep Wrangler. Pretty common in the factory paint. But all in all, it looks really nice. Drives good. Motor runs nice. Show you the inside really quick here. Take a quick peek. Interior is really clean. Carpet's really nice in it. 6-speed, factory radio, 67,815 miles. Really appreciate your time today. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Like I said, you can call me at 904-382-7230. Look us up on the web at premierautosource.com. Have a great day.